Express official parrot lover. Always be yourself unless you can be a parrot. T-shirt. Love for our feathered friends with the official parrot lover. Always be yourself unless you can be a parrot. T-shirt. This playful and vibrant t-shirt is perfect for anyone who adores parrots, enjoys whimsical humor, and wants to showcase their unique personality. The design features a colorful parrot illustration paired with the charming phrase, "Always be yourself unless you can be a parrot," making it an instant conversation starter. Whether you're wearing it to a casual outing, a bird-watching event, or just lounging at home, this t-shirt captures your passion for parrots while keeping your style fun and relaxed. Its classic cut makes it suitable for all body types and ensures you stay comfortable throughout the day, while the cheerful design allows your personality to shine wherever you go. Official parrot lover. Always be yourself unless you can be a parrot. T-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Show your love for parrots. Be yourself or be a parrot with this fun tee. Embrace your true colors. Be yourself. Unless you can be a parrot. Show your love for parrots. Be yourself. Unless you can be a parrot in this fun tank top. Embrace your inner parrot. Be bold. Be colorful with our Always Be Yourself tee. Show your love for parrots with our stylish hoodie. Be yourself. Unless you can be a parrot. Crafted official parrot lover. Always be yourself unless you can be a parrot. T-shirt 100% premium cotton, proudly manufactured in the United States. This t-shirt guarantees both comfort and quality. The soft, breathable fabric feels gentle against the skin, making it perfect for everyday wear, while its durable construction ensures it withstands repeated washing without fading or losing shape. Beyond the standard t-shirt, this design is also available in other styles including tank tops, V-necks, hoodies, and sweaters, so you can express your parrot-loving spirit no matter the season or occasion. The versatility and quality make it a thoughtful gift for bird enthusiasts, animal lovers, or anyone who enjoys unique, humorous fashion statements. Embrace your individuality and celebrate the joy of parrots with a t-shirt that's as lively and colorful as your personality. Don't just follow trends. Stand out, be yourself, and let your love for parrots take flight. Other product.